to talk to y'all about something. You know, technology is everywhere. We use it in everything. It's on our phones, it's on our TVs. But guess what? Now, technology is in your refrigerators. Have you seen this right here? Check this out. This right here, it's the Samsung's Family Hub Smart Fridge. Have you heard about this? This refrigerator, it plays music. Listen to this. It will text you when you're out of certain things. It will text you when you're out of certain foods. Now, here's the problem with this fridge. It costs $3,000. So when you buy it, you ain't gonna be able to afford to put food in it. So you gonna be getting text all day long. You gonna be getting text, you out of everything. You ain't got nothing in it. You gonna be at church and you gonna get a text from your phone going, it's game time, ain't nothing to eat. You get a text, are you going by the store to put something in here? You don't even have to open this refrigerator. You don't even have to open it. All you gotta do is touch the screen and then you can see what's inside. Would this not have been good when you was a little kid? You know how many times your mama said, close that door before you let all the cold air out. You're gonna just stand there with the door open like you got refrigerator money now.